want to show you the box content of the DJI OSMO Mobile 2 in the unboxing video I shot right after I got it, and to give you some insight infos after I used it intensively. If you use your phone a lot for filming, you definitely need a gimbal. Even if your phone is a flagship with OIS, you still need a stabilizer if you want your movie to flow and to obtain a smooth, professional-looking footage. About the DJI. This is the second version and it's a standalone phone stabilizer, not a two-in-one camera/phone stabilizer, and I can definitely say there are some differences between them. Box content. This is the simplest I saw, the gimbal and USB cable, and that's it. You don't get a power adapter, nor a carrying case. Not even a wrist strap. Furthermore, it has a built-in battery rather than user replaceable. Then, the handle is solid, but slippery, made from nylon, so I recommend a non-slip palm grip photographer glove. At the first use, the button seems more fragile than the first model, the click is annoying and feels cheap. Then the slightly up and down movement when you walk remains the same. Well, no improvements here either. Overall, the assembly and sensation is of a cheap product. So what's good? First, the cost. The original OSMO Mobile cost $299. At the price of $129 or 149 euros, OSMO Mobile 2 is less than half the price of its predecessor. Its weight was cut off, not with much, but enough to hold it for extended periods of time. I used it without breaks or changing the hand. Another big plus is the new orientation mode. You can set your phone to landscape or portrait mode, but you need to balance it every time you change the option. The control panel is slightly easier to use just with your thumb. The battery level indicator is new and shows the remaining battery level at any time. Yes, there is a plus on the battery also. After a full charging time of 2 hours and 10 minutes, I used the gimbal for more than 10 hours without stops. Less than the 15 hours announced. The app connection is very fast and the response doesn't show any lag. Now it pairs via Bluetooth, keeping the indoor wireless internet still available for an HD live footage. Also, the zoom slider connects via Bluetooth, but only within the app. Furthermore, it has automatic subject tracking, motion time-lapse, hyperlapse, and good quality panoramas in the app. As a conclusion, it's not perfect, lots improvement to be made. And you will not use all the features it has. In my case, we'll be shooting video in portrait mode. But it has a great value, it's easy to use, and it delivers super smooth results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Many more videos are on the way.